to my YouTube video. I am the Goose, and so what we're going to be doing here is basically fidgeting with the 3x3x3 Rubik's Cube. So these are just tricks, some tips. Now, some tips are, if you ever need to lubricate your cube, you just need to pop off this side piece, not the corner. I've tried the corner, it doesn't work. You pop off this side piece here, and you just put some B-Laster lubricant in there, and you should be able to lubricate it. All this little white stuff here is from the lubricant. If you use WD-40, it will mess up the interior along with the plastic. So just don't use WD-40. Try using some other kind of lubricant. The one that I use is B-Laster. So all you're gonna do is, if you want to make a checkers, you go right side twice, left side twice, top layer twice, bottom layer twice. Or you can go middle row twice, and then middle row horizontal twice, and do it like that. That's a lot easier. Now if you just want to make one side checkers, you go right lane, right row 180, top row 180, left row 180, bottom row 180, right row 180, top row 180, left row 180, bottom row 180, right row 180, top row 180, left row 180, bottom row 180. And it goes along with all these other ones here. So basically the only ones that really switched are the ones, basically the face that you were looking at, along with the other one on this side. So, you know, if you just want to get it back, you could just go like this, flip it, like that again, flip it, like that, flip, 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 and just keep on going. Or you could do it the way you originally did it. It really doesn't matter if you do it backwards or not. You can really just start anywhere. Now, these Rubik's Cubes are very hard to take apart, so I highly suggest not completely taking apart these. But if it does come apart, you should be able to put it back together using the another video that I posted up. Is very similar to the way you put this one back together, except this one just has like a ball inside to help it keep it from, you know, busting and stuff. This one is the more expensive one, high end. The other ones with just a stem is the lower end, the cheaper ones. So another trick is go up the middle row, go to the left or right middle row, and then go down middle row, and then go right middle row. If you went left in the middle row, then you're going to go back right. If you went right the original first time, then you're going to go left in the middle row. So now you got all this here. So basically, to put it back, if you lose your spot, all you're going to do is try creating an I. See, here's an I here, or an H. And then you're going to try finding the blue middle piece, which are these two colors, and just go like that. And then bring it down. But if it doesn't do that, if this doesn't create a bar, then there's no point in doing that. You want to make another bar. So now you got 3 bars here, and then you're just going to do that. And it's easier like that. So there you have it. Now, if you want to do checkers, I think I already showed you that. So if you ever want to switch this around, let's say you don't want it facing like this. You know, you got the red, white, and blue, and the Rubik's symbol is facing you like this, and you want it to be facing the other way. There is a way to do that. So you're going to just do these moves. These are the moves I originally did at the end of the Season 1, Episode 3. How to solve the 3x3x3 Rubik's Cube. And all you're going to do is just go right row 180, top row to the left, right side up, top row to the left, right side down, top row to the right, right side down, top row to the right, right side down, top row to the left, and then right side down. So sure, you move these, don't flip it around. You want the completed side facing back. And so now this is facing towards the left. Now, since your initial move is going to be to the left at the end, this is basically going to be it's going to be just moving over here to the right. So if you ever wanted to go left, if you ever want this to go left like this, then you're going to do these moves. Right row up, top row to the left or to the right. Yeah. Right side up, top row to the left, right side up, top row to the left, right side up, top row to the right, right side down, top row to the right, right side 180 degrees. It's basically the same moves, just backwards. So that's exactly how you keep moving this, since it only takes doing this just 3 times to move these between all 3 of them. That's when this will rotate clockwise 3 times. So it'll be 1, and then it'll be 2, and then it'll be facing over here after the 3rd one, which is when everything else is completed. So if you ever want to just look at this, I always like to look at it when it's like this. So that's it for the Goose. This is just another side episode. The Mega Mix is on the way.